Where the hell are you, Rusky? Well, I'm back with guys at Calci SSD stickers, signs, designs. Getting that thing wrapped again. Design has been done months and months in advance. Obviously, we'll include all the partner sponsors and friends who help with the build. Me, being a friend and known the guys for like 5 years now, I had to book 2 months in advance. So yeah, if you hit them up on the website or whatever and you expect the next day, drop the car off and get your stuff done, yeah, good luck with that. A lot of other companies, what they do is they print all of their logos and everything on it. So if you wanted to change, lost a partner or a sponsor, God forbid, then, it kind of stuck on your wrap. So if you want to sort of remove that, then you have to remake your wrap completely. With what we are doing, you can literally just take one off, put another one on, and it's all really, really good. So we're not covering all of the Kevlar, but we're covering the majority of it. The idea behind all of this is that it's kind of like a tearaway graphic, so you can still see all the original color underneath, which is being Kevlar. Because to have a full, complete Kevlar body was never really my aim, even though, yes, it does look pretty cool, but that was never actually my aim. I don't really like the way it looks by itself, just like that. Also, as it happens, Funk Motorsport are literally around the corner. And obviously, you know that Funk Motorsport are one of the main sponsors of the car. All of their beautiful stuff is in the car. So they'll actually probably show up tomorrow or day after just to do a little bit of filming of the engine bay and all of the components that I've used on it. And basically just hanging around, doing nothing, just watching the guys work.
$72 later.
So, just like that, it is done. So I'm looking at it now and oh my God, what a difference from not being covered in any livery, any stickers properly, or even from the last year's design. You remember this design? I'll put a little picture here. This was done by guys 3 years ago or something like that. By the way, if you need your car wrapped or anything done, merch, logos, designs, stickers, anything, before I reveal this thing, I don't know, I think I can just reveal it. Can I? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, what do you guys think? I think it's absolutely fantastic. If you haven't guessed yet, those are corporate Calci colors, obviously. Black, yellow, magenta, and blue. Originally, it was always supposed to be black and yellow sort of combo because of, obviously, Haltech. But then we decided, you know what? It may look a little bit whatever. Why don't we, add some color to it? And I think it looks absolutely fucking fantastic. Honestly, just those 3 colors together with black on top of Kevlar. I'm speechless. Guys, Connor, Elsie, thank you very much for your support, for your everything, design and obviously effort doing this and stuff like that. And yeah, you guys who subscribe to my channel, honestly, I've been with them for 5 years. Top dogs. They do wrapping. this kind of stuff. By the way, t-shirts, why don't you buy one? Yeah, I'm gonna end this one here. It was a quick sort of design change thing. We might add a few bits later on if needed, maybe new sponsors, or maybe we'll update things, I don't know. But yeah, on this one, I'm gonna leave you guys hanging, and I'll probably see you at the next race event. Have a good one. That's a good one!